Hi everyone, so here we are again with our trumpets, and I would like to start with page 19 on Team Brass. Page 19, it says unison long notes. I'm pretty sure we've done the harmony long notes before, but now we're going to do the unison long notes. What does unison mean? Unison means one person, so it means one sound actually. It means if we were in the same room together, and we played this, together we would be playing in unison if we're playing the same notes. So I'm going to play it and you can play along with me, so we'll be playing the same notes. Let's ignore the pauses over the top of the notes. So I will play them for exactly 4 beats. Around about halfway through, you can see you've got 2 notes in the same bar, and it says div. That means divide. So it means you can either play upper A or you can play lower A. I don't know which one I'm going to do yet. It doesn't matter which one you do, as long as we're both playing an A, upper or lower, together, still unison. Okay, so here we go. 4 beats on each note. Just play me the first note. Here we go. Great, you sound amazing. Here we go. Starting on C for 4 beats, and then the others all follow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Through. Let's do the next exercise, the slurred slow notes. So we've done the slurs on page 16. This is very similar, just a different rhythm pattern. So remember, you only tongue the very first note in each group. When you've got the curve line, it means you do it all smoothly. So use your breath as you go to the upper notes, blow harder, think higher as well, higher in pitch. Here we go. So it'll be ta, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can go through all the different fingering sequences. Sorry, I'm back. You can go through the different fingering sequence for this, but actually it can be quite tiring. So let's just do the first 2 bars on the second finger, which will now be this. So we're just going to go ta, and then we'll do the next finger, which I'll show you. So second finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger, off we go, 2, 3, 4. Now we go 1 and 2, and it goes down another half step. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I didn't tell you which fingers, but hopefully you've spotted. Second and third. 1, 2, 3, 4. That might be a bit low for you. There's 2 more lower ones I'm going to show you, see if you can do it. So 1 and 3. So we're starting really low now. 3, 4. And the last one is with all of your fingers down. And this takes you to the lowest note we can play on the trumpet, which is F sharp, to C sharp. Here we go. 2, 3. You might find that's a bit tricky. But anyway, it's good to have a go. Great. So now we should be thoroughly warmed up. Let's do our scale. Let's turn to page 28, where we have the scale of C all the way up and all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4. go back to page 13. Page 13. Last week we talked about 3/4. 3 beats in a bar, 3 crotchet beats in a bar, 3/4. And the round lullaby at the bottom here, I just wanted to play that one again. It's a really nice tune. It has got a repeat at the end, the double line with the dot, so you can do the whole thing twice if you want to. I'm just going to play it once for now. It's in 3, remember, so it's got a swing. Da, 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 da. It's got a swing feel to it. So make sure it's you know what a lullaby is? A lullaby is to send someone to sleep. So it's like swinging the baby to sleep. So you've got to play it gently and with a bit of a swing. So I'm going to play it for you, and then you can see what you're aiming for and you can practice it. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to leave you to practice that one. I think you can do that. So 3/4, 3 beats in a bar to get that really nice feel to it. Okay, I'm going to move on to page 27. So we're almost joining up with our C scale page now. Sing Hosanna first. Sing Hosanna on page 26. I think I played this last week. Yeah. I wonder if you could play it with me. Again, this is one of my favourite songs. Nice, jolly song. It's supposed to be quite quick. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. That's quite quick, isn't it? But if you really practice it and break it down and look at the patterns, your fingers will be able to do it this fast. There's a whole scale there, isn't there? Sing Hosanna to the King. That's how it finishes, all the way down the scale. Which is why, you know, we do our warm-up scale, C major scale, any scale, to get your fingers in the patterns. We've also got some slurs, haven't we? Bar 2 is a slur, bar 4 is a slur. That's why we practice our slurs and warm up with our slurs. So let's play it slowly. I'll play it slowly. I'll tell you what, I'll do 2 bars and you can copy back. So I'll do the first. Sing Hosanna, then it's your turn. And we'll go through the whole tune like that. Me first, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn, sing Hosanna. Da, da, da. Sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. 2 bars. Your turn. 3 bars. 4 bars now. Your turn. Sing Hosanna to the King. And it's a really good idea to bash down the valves and try it without playing first of all. And then you'll get it up to speed. Jolly song. Okay, last thing for today, we're going to look on page 27, which almost joins us up to page 28 with our scale. Working on the Railroad. I keep saying this, but this is another one of my favourite songs, like a jolly cowboy saloon song. So I'm just going to play this one for you, and then I'm going to leave you with it until I come back next time, and then I will take this one apart. So as with all of our tunes, look for patterns, look for repeated sections. I can already see some bits that are exactly the same. It's supposed to be quite fast. If you listen to the backing track, it's very fast. But of course we can play it at any speed we want to. So, working on the railroad, da, 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 da. Okay, I'm going to play it like that. And then next time I'll break it down so we can learn it. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what we're aiming for, and next time we'll have a go at that one. Okay, keep practicing. Bye bye.